Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, we're going to show you how to use star codes in Roblox. First, open your browser and then go to roblox.com. Now go to Roblox on the top. Now click on Roblox on the top right and then select Buy Robux. Once you're here, you will get to see all the Robux packages available. From here, just scroll through and choose whichever you want. To show you guys, I'll choose 400 Robux. From here, click here to add a star code. Now just type in or paste your star code here. After that, click on Add. As you can see, it's added right here. Now just select your payment type. After that, submit your order and then click on that purchase item and you will see your purchase item by using your star code. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.